Hi Warner Music, welcome to Speyside and welcome to the Craigellachie Hotel. My name's Angus and today I'm going to be walking you through one of my favourite cocktails, a Spey 75. That is a simple riff on a very classic cocktail, the French 75, which is really straightforward to make either at home, here outside, or of course behind a bar. We start with some form of mixing glass. Now if you're at home you might not have one of these, but you can really improvise with a mason jar. Just make sure it's not going to shatter and you're all good. To start the drink we need some gin. Now as you probably know there are thousands of gins around the world. Today I've chosen Tanqueray. It's a nice dry, clean, quite a fresh style of gin. It's really available, but it doesn't have to be Tanqueray in this drink. Use your favourite, it'll be perfect. We start with a sizable pour, about a shot and a half or 37.5 ml. Pour that straight into the mixing glass. Follow that up with 25 ml of lemon juice, that's about half a large lemon. Got a Mexican elbow here to squeeze it in, but you can just squeeze it with your hands if you need to. At this point we add a sizable amount of ice to our shaker. Pop the top on, nice little tap, and shake. Pop the shaker open, and today we're going to be serving this drink in a champagne flute. Now it's important here to make sure you really finely strain it, so this here is a Hawthorne strainer that stops the big chunks of ice, and then a sieve or this fine strainer here will do just fine. At this point you should fill up about a third of the glass. Now I think the most important part of this drink is the cider that you choose to use. And typically in a French 75 you would add champagne. However, in this Spey 75, because of the amazing fruits that we have here in Speyside, we use some of our own cider. Now, it doesn't have to be this particularly. You can choose anything you like, use your favourite, but preferably something kind of dry, quite clean, fresh. We're just going to top that up right to the top. And simply finish with a little twist of lemon peel. You can use other fruit if you like. Nothing too fancy, straight into the glass. There you have Spey 75. Now for those of you who are looking for a non-alcoholic alternative, there's plenty of ways to do this. Really nice and simple. Choose a nice good quality cloudy apple juice, a little bit of elderflower cordial, topped with soda water, you'll be set.